On this episode, we're going to be talking about a carpenter's belt for a workbench. Howdy, welcome to Beaver Mountain Works. I'm sure glad you folks have joined us back again. We missed you since the last time we talked to you, and right now we're going to be talking about something that's near and dear to my heart, carpentry. I just love woodworking. It's a fantastic thing, and we had a client come to us who's asked us to generate a fancy, sexy looking carpenter's belt for them while he's out there with his high-end clients and he's doing his thing. But not just any old carpenter's belt, a carpenter's belt that has specific pockets for the tools he uses on a daily basis. And it's not completed yet. We're in the middle of the project, but he wanted a nice padded good belt. We fabricated that. It's not 100% finished yet. We still have some rivets to put into it, but it's all hand stitched up here for the rings. It's all solid brass. It's nicely padded, really well constructed. And then on his pouches, we figured out on a diagram exactly what he was looking for. He gave me some of his tools to go in there. Some of the tools I already still own because, you know, once you get into your toolbox, sometimes you find things that everybody else has. So we drew up that, and this particular one here, this actual pouch is set up for, he's got a cat's paw, and he's got a specific spot to put his speed square in there, a place that his lineman's pliers goes in, a place that his chisel uses all the time, and he's got a pocket that he can access to keep the nails and everything from dropping out, or screws, and a larger one here, and this one here is for his chalk line. Hello, kitty. Now we've got our cat video. Go viral! So in here you can see that. And oh, speaking of the cat, don't forget to subscribe. So hopefully just hit that subscribe button, let your friends know about us and everything. So that would happen to be the diagram we had here. We have one to make up for his tape measure, also one for his portable drill we're going to be doing up. This is for his suspenders here. They've given him the yoke there because he was going to see if he can get it embroidered in with his company name. But the embroiders don't want to do industrial end, so he's going to bring it back, and you'll see a follow-up on that. We're going to actually do something with leather, and I'm going to burn in his, or carve in his logo for his company, and at that time, and put it onto the back. The other pouch that we're doing here, which haven't got it fully assembled yet, but it's going to be the one that's going to have things like drill bits. We all know our little 2-inch drill bits. It's going to also have some actual drill bits these ways, and the ones to put in screw bits, I should say, not drill bits, screw bits. And then he's going to have his knife that's going to go in there, his punch there, and he's going to have a marker, and it's going to go along in here and here, and all this stuff is going to be manufactured and placed on here. And he's going to have a little pouch in here, and at the end of it, hopefully, we get this done before we get this video out, and then we can show you an update. All right, folks, so you've been seeing me build this carpenter's belt for this gentleman so he can look sexy. He's a lot taller and skinnier than I am, so he has full adjustments here on his shoulder rig unit. Everything's double stitched and glued and this actually brass rivets, and it doesn't fit on me perfect, but as you can see on the side here, he's got a pouch that's set up the way he wants it, with a cat's paw and speed square and lineman's pliers with a connector in the inside and chisel. He's got a larger chalk line than this. That's why this is so large. He's got his where he wants his drill, and then on the other side he wanted his tape measure, and when he tried it on, it sits right about there on him, so it's nice and perfect. Me, I'm too darn fat. There's a small pouch here that he can drop small things into, a larger one here can drop things into, and there he's got his bits. This is X-Acto knife he's got laid out for marker and nail punch and pencils, and a larger pouch here. And then on the back side here, he wanted to have his hammer on the back. Here on the hammer on the back side here, where he has it in the center, and his logo and everything is in the middle that we put in for him. So if you got any ideas or any dreams about certain things that you need to have manufactured that are custom just to you, something you don't buy in the store, something that's just about who you are, give us a shout here at Beaver Mountain Works. Remember, you dream it, we make it. Take care now.